How to create an account on ChatGPT. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can create a new account on ChatGPT. So let's begin. You can either use the ChatGPT app or you can just use any browser of your choice to open a new account on ChatGPT. I already have the ChatGPT app installed on my phone, so I will be using the ChatGPT app to create a new account. So you have to open the app. So once you open the app, you are provided with three options which you can use to create a new account on ChatGPT. You can either continue with Apple, or you can continue with Google, or you can sign up with email, or if you already have a ChatGPT account, you can log into your account. So in this video, I will be using Google to create a new ChatGPT account. So I'll tap on the continue with Google button right here. So once you tap on that button, it will lead you to this page where you have to sign in with your email. So enter your email. So once you enter your email, click on next and enter your password. So once you've logged in into your account, then it will lead you to this page and you have successfully created a new account on ChatGPT. So click on continue. And in this way, you have successfully created a new account on ChatGPT and you can start using the app now. If you have any queries, then please make sure to comment them down below. I hope this video was helpful and we'll see you guys in the next video.